Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special one, guys. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. At the same time, guys, I really appreciate for the love and support, guys. Right now, I'm 6,600 subscribers. Mwana nje kumbusi fanya kile. Naenda nje kabisa. Naenda tu. Mama atakuja na weka.
Nitakuja weka hapo chai.
Because my dog looks somebody new. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for taking me 6,600 subscribers. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys. So right now, 400 subscribers, guys, to hit 7K subscriber. I can't wait. So guys, anyway, guys, on today's videos, my mason arrived, and I think today they will dig, tomorrow and previous will get water. So that the message that I had from my mama. So they pull up here quick, very in the morning, and then right now they found, like, they almost to find water. So wow, mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, my mama washing sufuria. Say subscribe.
Subscribe to Haro Pepi.
Alright, that is it. Man, if you don't know, that's my biological mom, my African mom. I normally call my mama African mom simply because we Africa, and we born and raised in Africa. Why not? Why not, guys? And that's how my house looks like. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy, man, to be here and there. Actually, this is how my house looks like, and I didn't like organize well. Imagine, we have the helmet right there. Also, I have the TV, glass table, but I'm thinking to have like the cupboard for keeping clothes. Actually, it's staying here like crazy, man. But I'm a man, so one day I'll maybe sit down, put everything in order. You can see, man, you can tell this is how the table looks like. And I bought this mat because my tiles, it's purely cold. You can't step here during at night, daytime. So I'm supposed to have the small mat right here, going up to that way. Man, maybe in the future I'll have here a cupboard right here for putting maybe glass, plates, spoon, and maybe some decoration of everything. Man, me, I'm so grateful. This is what I'm calling home. Actually, this is my house. So this is my brother's room, and that's my room right here. Although I put the curtain here for the privacy. I'm telling you guys, all things that you see here, it's by God's grace, man. You people, you've been supporting me, you've been showing me some love, and I appreciate, guys. Imagine putting ceiling board, painting, have the couches right here. Man, I'm telling you, let me sit down. Initially, we didn't have these things, but it's by God's grace. And a big shout out to David Jr. He was the one who uplifted me from scratch up to the way I am, and uplift me, introducing me to you guys on this platform. Thank you so much for my Jamaican family. Thank you so much for those people who are watching from US, UK, Caribbean, UK, Texas, Bahamas. Thank you so much. You're my good family, and for my entire world, thank you so much. And if you are my fellow Kenyan watching these videos, also thank you so much. And I'm shooting these videos from my home, a young content creator who born and raised within a small village, guys. Soon I'm going to, like, maybe on June to July, like June, I'll start the house for my mama. So that's my big dream. And right now, this month, the money that I'm going to get, it's a small amount of money, but I'm trying maybe to balance to dig the borehole. And right now, as I speak on today's videos, my new engineer arrived at my project. I'm telling you, I need the serious people. Yesterday I was supposed to make a videos with my engineer, but I had another maybe videos went to the waterfall. But imagine, guys, he came yesterday, today, and they almost find water. I'm blessed to my family, and guys, let's do this. So I'm closing my house. Okay, guys, because of my privacy and all things, I need, imagine, these are mat right here. You know, I'm a man, and I didn't know how to arrange things, but soon maybe I'll have my brother, when the school have been closed, to arrange things in order. So So right guys, I'm heading outside and I feel it's so hot. I don't want to wear these sandals. I'll wear that one. No, yeah. Let me wear this one. It's okay. No, this one no. You know I have too many sandals here. Right here. I'm supposed to wear the open. You know I have the open right here. Empty shoes. Man. If you don't know guys why I'm shooting this video for the first time, actually guys, I'm from home. So let me wipe the camera guys. Oh my god. Yeah guys, right now it's okay. I'm shooting these videos from my home. Actually this is my parents' home. Although right now I'm living or I'm staying with my mom's only here. My dad's passed far like back years, and I want to say my soul rest in peace. So that's the reason why I take care of my family, working so hard, go harder through my dream. And I feel like I came to walk with my dog. After few minutes, this Bruno, say hi. Say hi to your people. Say hi. Okay, mom. Hai gidumu kiri? Tatu na lita tatu. Ama kindo. Okay, mom, bring a small container. I'll go to the Kibanda Scale Hotel to look for my dog's food. Tamaheri kibira. Kindo tu kidogo. Tamaheri ngani sasi. Okay, guys, my mama want to prepare lunchtime for my mason and also for my family. Actually, right now. Egeke.
Bira mwari go kora into wote. Chirangi.
Okay. Njoo basi upike mchere. Get the bicycle for my sister. I think on Saturday I will take her to the training. This is cooking oil, these tomatoes, this rice. Mama, rice no beans? No beans? Oh. And mama, most of the people love you, complaining, why do you working so hard in the farm? I'm telling you, next time tell my brother to give you money so you can maybe look for the people to dig his land. Don't overworking, mama. People are complaining, mama, don't work too much. Like, they told me, why don't you take your mom to the farm? I'm telling you, that's not your farm. That's my brother's project. He's supposed to give you money to look people who want to ompalirie shamba. Mama, people are complaining. Why do you working so hard? Like, I will never assisting you going to the farm. I'm telling you guys, that's not the part of my business. That's my brother's business. I don't want to involve there. Like, going to dig, why not? Like last time you harvest maize, my brother came from school, he said everything, he put money on pocket, he went to school and then he rented there. Why he give you money so you can look for somebody who need the job? You can cut partition from here up to here for $10, for $5. Utafute watu. Next round, you just mama tell my brother, no, you must look for the person or bring money. That's a tuk-tuk. Okay, mama want to prepare lunch right now. Me, I'm just okay. I'm just simple. Me, don't count me on rice. Nowadays, you know, mama, I'm eating like every day and then I overweight. I don't want to eat. Guys, anyway, this is our small kitchen right now here. I'm telling you, hey. You see, guys, these are stuff from the maize corn. And then you use as a source of firewood. You remove the maize corn, we take the portion meal. This one we use as a source of firewood, and you can see the water is boiling right now here. I'm telling you, that maize stuff we store inside here. You know, before I left, guys, on these videos, you will see my engineer. Although that's the remaining of the maize corn right there, we use as a source of firewood. Bruno, pull up, I'll take you outside. And guys, to make it matter worse, most of the people ask me, hello baby, why do you tie your dog each and every time? I'm telling you guys, I came from the village and you never know tomorrow, guys. When I release my dog going around through my village, people will kill my dog. So I'm trying to secure my dog. You just complain that I'm tightening them there. But in the morning when I'm around here, I take my dog around, like rotating to my compound, around 30 minutes to 40 minutes to 1 hour, and then I tighten my dog right here. Wow. So guys, I want to show you how my mama prepared the rice before I left. First thing is to boil water. Wow. First thing is to boil water, and the boiling water, it's ranged to 100 degrees Celsius, and then we put aside, we have our rice, and it's clean rice, And then we chop tomatoes. Wow, we have cooking oil here. Wow. In fact, me guys, I love my mom. How she was working so hard. Make sure that the family put something on the table. Look, cutting onions or chopping onions. No, not onions, tomatoes, guys. I'm kind of a mess, like confusion. You know, I was talking too much. Sometime, instead of saying tomatoes, I said onions. But all in well, it's food, man. And soon I'll go to have another project for the kitchen garden. We have tomatoes aside. We have papaya, like we have chores. I'm trying to look a nice fertile place where I can like constructing a small garden for my mom, a kitchen garden, so that she can able to have tomatoes or to have maybe onions, to have coriander, to have pepper, kales, and maybe green veggies like cowpeas, leaves, you know. So after that, well guys, thank you so much for my good people. I just started that project with nothing, but I'm keep going. So I make an agreement. They dig. When I found money, I'll pay them, guys, to be honest. So the work like I have on that project, it will take $300 to dig the borehole. Imagine 49 feet deep. I'm telling you, no blagging things. 49 feet deep, and 1 feet goes to $6, equivalent to 700 Kenyan shillings, guys. Honest, from my bottom of my heart, I said, okay, you know, I'm looking for the water. You dig. Then mama wash. Hey, mama. We wash rice. Hey. You see that process? And then like you put water aside. Hey, I haven't knew this, man, but I'm learning. Maybe in the future, when I have my my wife material in future, guys, not now, they could know. Maybe I'll click this video and show you. Know how you see how my mama, like how your mother-in-law preparing the rice. So start that or master that process, guys. You know. So right now I'm trying to learn something. You know. And here, this is where the maybe kitchen looks like. Remaining of the last night, ugali will keep it here. Tukuimio moro, ma'am. Tarimio moro. Tarimi. You put tomatoes, ma'am, first? Or you put rice? Like, unaukanga kwanza. And guys, the crazy thing is, my mama was cooking right here. We have full of fire, and the hen laying eggs right there. That's eggs, right? I'm telling you guys, that's eggs. Oh my God. This is a small kitchen, mama. We just keep praying. Maybe soon, by God grace, we have the gas. I don't want maybe you every day, like 30 years, 20 years, you are on this smoke. Hey, for sure, man. Wow, guys. That's she have already put tomatoes, and then it's to stir the rice. You see, mama, unajua kuna mtu alisema amejifunza kupika mchele vile unapika. Hey, guys, the way I'm showing these videos, I'm telling my mama, there is one of my fan comment on my comment section where my mama preparing the rice like this time. He told me, hello baby, I gained knowledge from my mom how they cook rice in African way, in traditional way, and she told me the rice tastes so sweet. I'm telling you, look, right now it's changing the color. Look. Guys, it's smoke inside here, but oh my God, it is what it is, guys. Sorry because of the smoke, guys. You can see Mama uski guys, sorry. Mama uski moshi. You see guys how the smoke coming. Mama uski moshi.
Utafanyaje?
Wait guys.
Nafumilia.
I'm asking my mama, don't you like feeling pain with that smoke? My mama said, I just like keep pushing to cook the food. Oh guys, the rice is already, and then it's to put water. Hey mom, in Tanzania they call walipoko. Walipoko is the way my mama prepare, you know, poko. All the many rice here. Hey mom, we have good technique. Anyway guys, apart from that rice, let me. Okay, my mama called me. I want to show you. Okay, they put hot water, which initially she was boiling them. You know, these are not warm water. It's a hot water, not cold, warm water. I'm telling you, you can see even the moisture coming out. Wow. And then what's next, mama? You put water. That is it, mom. Okay, mom. Thank you.
Aye.
Hey. Oh, guys. And mama, make sure, even I had one of my friend visited me, give him the food as he keep waiting me. You know, I'm rolling these videos, going to outside, showing people how my project goes, and then to go to Nyabohanse at the site, the Vinyuna site. Most of the people ask me, hello baby, nowadays what's up? I don't see you at the Vinyuna site. Today I'm going because I was busy. Like, I think maybe 5 days looking for the guy who are serious. Anyway, guys. Anyway, welcome outside. This is how my home looks like. And right now, I was coming here with his dad or his Junior's bike. Dad's bike right here. And maybe soon I'll have this one. Soon. Because these are somehow big machine. It's 150 HLX 150 TVS. I'm telling you, it's 150cc. And I was in Nyabohanse, left my phone to be charged, and then I came back home because at home here we didn't have like solar panel, you know, we didn't have electricity. So I supposed to charge my phone at Nyabohanse. I charge my power bank, and then at the end of the day I come with my power bank to boost, like to charge my camera, you know, guys. Anyway, this is my project, Sasingu Chant. This is my project right here. I'm telling you. And they have come, I think this is our 3rd day, but I didn't show them on camera. So I have one good of my friend here. He has this ability. Anakuja anko. Aleta kifuniko. I say hello. Guys, he has this ability, he can't speak. He was dumb, so I'm using the like signs to say hello to you guys. He was a humble man, and he was like, imagine guys, to dig the borehole, to put something on table. And the first thing, guys, he told me on sign he needs 700 shillings to dig the borehole. So I can't negotiate doing everything because the way it is with disability, I don't want maybe like to bargain. I said, okay man, you need $7, like 700 shillings, you just dig. You know, and God will open the door to get that money, and I paid you. Me, the first price with him, I didn't negotiate. Sunataka hivi. Ili ngutokera hapa. Mea saba. Guys, he told me he will dig 41 deep, and that first guy he dig again. Yes guys, if you understand him, okay, he told me when he came here tomorrow the water will be coming up. Guys, thank you Jesus, thank you God, thank you my good people. Right now imagine, I think come guys, baba, leo ni siku ngapi wanakuja? Leo ni katatu. Guys, he came here, this is the 3rd day, and then he told me tomorrow was the 4th day they will get water. I will pay you money on Monday. Yes guys, he can't skip, he can't speak, man. I'm telling you, he almost to get water. Look, it's wet, man. You see when my mama spoke, they are chanko. white. If you find this white soil, you almost to approach water, man. And they have been given porridge on this container, and it's 10 kg. Uncle, yake.
Angalia mfirichi natokea wapi? Anorengi goro hai.
Enta mani hanga nkuro hara.
Kuro.
Maha kuro hano.
Kuro kuchi nyumba. Kutengenye hano ngoti.
There's guys, it's going deeper, so you can't see somebody. So they told me to see where the water's coming from. I'm telling you. Kyobarisho machomoga teme. Sawa. Unimpate yanu mulicha saa 2. Muda kuri konsumonga nye benyu ni chemba masenti genyu. Na mbenyuma mara kyoge. After miezi mingapi?
Miezi kama 3-4.
Mchemoge. Haya. Guys, sorry, I'm speaking, but I didn't see somebody who I'm speaking with him. So probably after this section, when he came out, I'll show you. Imagine, guys, this is our 3rd day he came here because I was busy. And the first guy, I chased him. Like, I don't like business with him. This is a serious guy. Imagine 3 days to find water. Look, when you approach, let me show you guys. When you approach this white, imagine we have categories of sand. You see, this is red. You find this, and then you come. You find this. You see, and then you find the white. This indicates that you're going to find water right now. Look, look, guys. Look. And then initially, the final result, you see, this is a kind of muddy. Look, guys, even look how look. You see? Me, I wanna say, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate the work that you show me. And right now, the work that remaining is to buy the like 300 bricks, and then 2 bags of cement, steel bar, wire mesh, 1 iron sheet, and then to cemented, to create that borehole to be look new. That's a new project. Imagine a day like this, no water in the tank. It's dry. Maybe when it's totally dry, like 3 months, no water. So the borehole can serve. And for meanwhile, when I get money and maybe off-grid solar panel, I'll put the motor and then we generate water to the top of the tank, serving the toilet, you know, serving my house, serving my mom's, you know. You know, guys, imagine, guys, it's hectic going to our neighbor fetching water every single time, man. Anyway, I'm heading to Nyabohansi. First, I left my baby here. I want to wash my hand. So this indicates, good hand. This indicates that I have pure heart. We get water. I'm ready there. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey, what's up? Girls are tarongi dad. Eh?
Nana kugenda.
Uoge. Ambia mama kukema juoge. I'm telling him. Told your mom, like, request your mom to put you water to take shower because pull up. See, mama. Almost finding water, mom. Look. Look. That's a serious man who need money. They for me to put something on table, you see? Rather than first guy, they dig. When I paid him money, they went to all 1 week. You enjoy, mom. I can't wait to see you, the reaction. And I will surprise you with that project, mom. Soon. That's my mom. I want to wash my hand because it's time to left. Going to the site. That being said, I'm a supervisor. And guys, technically, I would come to wear the helmet later, not now, guys. Oh. Nipe kikombe nikunywe maji ama acha tu. Guys, I supposed to drink water because sometimes I forget to drink water. Mama, okay. Mama, sorry. Help me with water because I don't want to come on that smoke right there. So guys, this is how a small kitchen looks like. I need to drink some glass of water as we keep going to Nyabohan's. Okay, Mama, thank you for your service. Oh my God. Hey man, okay. Bye man.
Hi, bye.
Yes. So imagine all of this rice. The mason be given, or the guy who dig my borehole, and also the part of my brother and sister. Okay guys, it's time to go. It's time to go guys. So if you're watching this video for the first time guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and in case you meet my video with any ad guys, please watch my ads to the end. By watching your ads guys, or watching my ads, you see what I'm making there. It's through watching my ads and everything. Maybe this month guys, I decided to look what on the ground, like digging the borehole, and then maybe next month is the month to buy blocks. Oh my God, I'm one master serving 100 people, and me, I appreciate because it's by God's grace I do everything here. So when we have water there, when I want to build my mom's dream house, we could able to have maybe like the borehole serving water there. At least when I bought water from maybe from the river, maybe like 3 trips or 1 trip, it's okay. And then the rest of the water will come from the part of the borehole. Anyway guys, I'm heading to Nyabohan's guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, before I left, I want to show you the work, how the guy uplifts sand from down. Yes, he was serious. The people who need money work so hard. No gero chani kuro ranko nkuro guchi nyumba. Mbemba kugitiga tanu ligiyene kuyanzi.
Bakakunyoricha hasi.
Gara kuchemoka kuro hansi. Ara bonongo. See guys, and then boom, you know. So this, yes, this soil here, this soil, I'll keep it for the house. Uniende choma chichi kungainde monto atiga
unoniendera achirwere hano.
Oh so chuchira chambaleka
yuchambaleka pakatunyoria gate.
Oh guys, sorry you can't see somebody inside because my borehole went deeper. Imagine down there, look. Right guys, this is my rope for my camera, don't mind. Yeah, serious people who need money work so hard. Guys, comment on the comment section. I was starting this borehole with nothing, but God will open the door, and then we have maybe 2 bags of cement or 3 bags, and then steel bar, iron sheet, and everything, labor money, so to cover this borehole, because we have my kids right now here, like brother and my sister. I don't want maybe some complaint, oh somebody fall inside the borehole. I don't mind, man. I don't like, you know.
Yeah, we just already reached the water, man.
Tarabado.
It's just feel when they will dig another 5 feet. Yeah guys, I was talking with my brother here, like he's supposed to dig there because another guy opened this, like me kambara cheba ingi ndamotebi kayo ata mwitana ra skule mkekolewa galingi gatanywa amanyere kana haraf use sign guys to speak. All right guys, You don't speak. Alright guys, I need to have the food. So right now it's lunchtime and I left my mama cooking rice inside here. Wow. It's okay, mama. It's all good. I'm going outside to share with my mason. No. Guys, let me pray for my food. As you keep eating, I'm going to sit with my mason outside. Alright guys, so I was like praying for my food. This is tea, guys. Guys, I'm holding like this, so I'm going to share with my mason, you know. Boom. This is my rice right here. My mason are on the menu eating. My food right here, man. How you eating? Oi. Mwago sioma. Oyo. Omuntu emena kutebika eh. Baro ukienda kwake uwezi amini.
Kwake anapojua sasa yule rafiki yako unamjua.
Guys, I'm going to enjoy. Okay guys, what he was telling me, water is coming like poop poop poop. What do I get? Hano. Futi tano.
Sitari.
Ninga muketa me futi sita. Kebe 40. Amache mubime hata hicho. Guys, I'm enjoying my food here, local guys.
Yeah. Yeah, like me, I'm full. I'm so full.
Guys, they have already finished eating, so it's time to go. And man, look how what is coming. You see down there? You see right there? There's water. I'm telling you. You see them fetching water. Hey, chore. Guys, I'm waiting. You see them fetching water here. I'll show you. I want to say, God, thank you so much for getting water at this moment. Yes, I kere. Even he was wondering how we would go inside. Mama Choma. Yes, man.
Baba ne musini
ni tara revoka neno
nuro chiende ne rengi
ne hanu bonu chanchiri kidogo turai hands ne revoke
So kui hands ni ego tunja kuro hands.
So toke wiki tu nyori gatai
Era mbea gateni yo bona. Then my mama was confirmed.
Ate yo ne atari. Sasa kijuna turai torata. Traumara bona la que ndiri ko sama te.
No hago sekera mo.
Sasa no hago sekera.
No hay caro que ni gite.
Sasa ngiri tu.
yo nakambi kan kole na pa sasa.
Guys, you see my mom's reaction after seeing what on the borehole. I'm telling you. This is our third day to come here. Eyo ne raimba kahanse. Eyo kuma gutukana hatuke. Ngako mama ni kamera yani. No ningu sumansena penye. Kuma bibi yana ngegera. Ni memory emo. Sasa hano ira mama kumangu chunchene bareka. Demo arai nira bonus kanira gate. Era nera arusi manchi bado hatai.
No basikana isatumuyu.
Ate parents sire.
Nani ora turigiri fe. Ega suku kama kilo moja.
Tasikana bunyata ni richai.
Richagi.
Tambale tega sukuma. Suba richai.
Richagi.
Taba hembega suku. Guys, that's my mom's reaction. You will see the water. So I'm waiting them to fetch water and then I'll show you guys. You think that I'm lying, like faking things. You will see. So they are preparing this container. Right here. Kena mua sasa mamigo turute.
Turarute.
Na makuniga kubimeni chwa chira bagotoka memegasiga. Unatege ntanyi gatage tukirahana.
Wo muteyata.
Nuna mote ya tukihana.
Ama yatiri mari nyankire yari. Mara zenge.
Iurum. Rihe. Rihe rio. Lira. Embalera.
Embalera.
Already kori bia.
Ah ukire ndende. Amandelera ya manchete.
Ira uri nyankira harere. Rihe.
Yo.
Rihe.
Uri utige kogeto mandore. Mandore.
Oh, rego samara ama woigoro. Use technique, guys, for maybe getting water. And first today, I'm the one who like telling the guy, you just dig here. Do you know Emmanuel means what? God with us. So let's do. So that guys is going inside. At the end, you'll never see him. He'll go deep. Look. Oh my God. Bitachi mu makoro bi ndani kabisa. Mwe mugota cheki kokoro kokota. Ona naga tuki bitachi riga. Hano atam harta ne wisu. Kokota ipe.
Betungu kira tori kimu kinota tachote.
Wow, you never see him, guys. The more you go, ngacha kunyore karabati hatta iberi sattu ngoso yachirem
napima tu futi ya hivi
wali chira chiri bichinyoro
karabati atari anko bamukakeri
pono kera to kuche kiba mokerero sire hi isma kene gikoro gitukiro antare iporo
taga chikuru ha
taga chakin ki hansi ke mokai ke
mabyo nyamo hansi byo nyabo hansi
pupu
robare batni kongune bonji to toke ahikire
ahanye
ahikire
you heard what
ya mama da tueria
guys, after a few minutes you'll see water in that container.
Mama
Utaleta suku mam. Tapa hiri chagi.
Enggak hano mama.
Chagi material amanya bote nene hakako ma harano bibi.
Usaba he.
Ke koro karo.
Baba. Tapa tindo irangire ichirangi. Guys, you heard them fetching water. Let's see. You see the container coming up. Wow. Look. That is water, man. Woo. See? Boom. Anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next videos. So stay blessed, man. Oh my God. Guys, I left home. I'm heading to Nyabuhans right now. Oh, we are this big machine. It is what it is, guys. Let's go. Oh. Imagine, man, I keep going. Look how our land looks like. Wow. This is a brand new machine. And I'm the one who drive from Kisi up to my village here. From Kisi town, far away. Let's go. Wow. I'm shooting this video on Thursday. It's a market day. Wow. And I feel like I could go to the market to show you again, guys. Right now, I'm heading to the construction sites at Dave Jr. Wow. Let's go. I'm driving at my own pace, guys. Wow. That's how African looks like in daytime. Wow. With this machine right here. Look, guys. Kids are going to school or students. Wow. No idea on this. The meter is reading and everything. Let's do this. I'm telling you guys, I'm on control. Going to the site. Wow. Look at that house people are building. Special gate right here. Let's do this. Wait. Wow. This is another part of the school where my sister and brother learn, guys. I'm telling you. Wow. Wow. Here I must go slowly because students are moving on here. Wow. I'm telling you. Wow. Let's go, guys. It's quick and hot right here. It's summer season, so most of the people don't wear heavy clothes. So that's the reason why you see me, I'm driving with lighter jacket. It's so hot, guys. Oh my god. Let's go. Some few kilometers, like 1 kilometer to hit Nyabuhanse market. We have a KK right here. I'm telling you, let's keep pushing. We go. Wow. Go. Students are going to school. This is a new year, new month. We keep going, man. I'm telling you. And most of the people didn't like to film on camera, so sometimes I'm scared. Wow. This is Nyabuhanse for you guys. Oh. So guys, this is Nyabuhanse market right now here. That one that you see here. It's a small but a popular to the world. Up to the construction site, I'm telling you. Wow. It is what it is, guys. Page. Hi. Okay, guys. Oh my god. I want to park this bike right here. Anyway, guys, welcome to the Virginia construction site. For those people who keep asking me, what's up, why don't you go to supervise the work? So I'm back, guys, because of time here and there. So the bike's right here. The first thing is to put off, you lock, and then welcome, guys, to construction site. So just over here, and David Jr. was not around with brother Daggy, so he went, but probably I left them here, so he went, guys. It's been a while, like I think 5 days. Oh, this is the helmet for the mason right here for the protective gear. You know, every construction site you must have like you must have how am I going to say this, you must have gumboot, like protective gear, gumboot, helmet, reflector, so it indicates that you're working here. So this is the staircase right here. I'm telling you, you can see how it's well made. Like you climb going that way and then coming this way. So right here, this is another step, like stairs going on the first floor on top. Right, man, it's been a while. You know, the formwork have already been completed. The staircase, you know, right here. I'm telling you. So the work that remaining is to put trappers right here. right here. So the formwork have already been completed. You can see, you can tell in the comment section. The work is to put trappers on top. You know, trappers. See the frames down here? Man, dream come to reality. So anyway guys, right now I'm heading to Borehole town, and then on these videos you'll see David Jr. and then maybe from that we try maybe to move on around the village. I'm telling you guys, these are serious. This is how people invest money, you know. Like I myself invest money at my home with some project here and there. Like I'm starting my mom's project. Imagine, maybe one day when I'll have my kids, I'll show him I do this, why not? So guys, stay tuned. Oh, anyway guys, this is Nyambo Hans right now, so I wanna show you kwamboka, long time bro. Fetching water Kwangofa.
Niambie.
Kopoa? Yes, I'm back.
Yeah, you have back.
Yes, I was sorting my issues out. And then nimekuja sasa.
Thank you.
Yes, back to the root guys. So let me see the mason. You think that I'm going forever? I'm back. Because guys, I was looking the guy who will dig for me the borehole. So making the research. So right now I'm back to the roots. Oh, let me show you where Kwamboka fetch water guys. Let's go Kwamboka.
Let's go.
Let's go guys and show where Kwamboka fetch water. The way of making exercise guys in the construction site here. Kwamboka to the world. This is how Nyabohansa looks like. I'm telling you, it's a small market but a popular to the world. Wow. Kwamboka. Even it reminds me when you are making like constructing there the ground, you fetch water here. I'm telling you guys. So this is the borehole here. Man, at this level you find water. Yes. Even can fetch with the jug. Right there we have the skumas. On this side you have the guest. I'm telling you, look at this motorbike right here. Something crazy. Anyway, we have another one here. You know, wow. So probably I want to show you right now how things go, and then to see the engineer here and there. Let's see. Let's see guys. Wow, we have a furniture working place within here. Wow guys. The balance stones. Wow. For curing the pira, yes. Okay, I love the hard working that you do guys. So I see the mason on top. So let me have the sweet talk. I'm trying to look for the ladder. Wow. Wewe mrazima ngoma yako kidogo. Wengine na swali le rangu. Ni mbovu. Guys. Guys, I'm climbing. Okay. Eronge mbanere. Ndo mana. Okay. Ero tanga ya masenti. Achana nao watu. That are the part of the haters. You good?
Yes.
I'm back to the root.
Okay, well.
Mario. So nipunguzia ngoma baba. I'm telling the guy to tune off the music.
So where have you been? Hello, baby.
I was working at my home there.
Okay.
Looking the guy to dig for me a borehole.
Okay.
Na hapa katikati itakuwa na hivyo space to empty.
Yes.
Empty space
Yes.
ama ni sehemu ya staircase.
Hapo.
Hmm.
Will be more partitions.
Mhm.
Yes.
So ndo nakuuliza stairs zitakuwa zinaendaje?
Stairs.
Vile
zimekuja kutoka chini, zinarudi tena kuelekea huko.
Hivi?
Yes.
So kama mtu atakuwa anakuja anaenda side nyingine ama itakuwa ni hapa?
No. Akikuja kutoka chini, hapo ni landing.
Landing.
So ana U-turn hivi.
Achu njoo uelezee hapa karibu. King Charles.
Yes.
254.
Yes.
A serious engineer.
Yes. So you come
Down.
over from there up, then you land here. After landing here, you turn this way and you go up. Yes.
So first, hii ni first floor, si ndio?
Yes.
So zitakuja hadi hapa.
Not here. There.
Okay, zitakuwa zinaenda huko mwisho.
Yes. Unaenda huko.
Ile side nyingine. So walkway itakuwa wapi?
Hii
For example, okay, ile ndio itakuwa mlango. Ile itakuwa mlango, first floor.
first floor.
Ya kuingia humu ndani. So veranda itakuwa ni gani hapo?
Veranda. Veranda.
Ya kutembelea.
Ya kutembelea ni hapa.
Oh, unakuja kwa hizi room za huko.
Balcony ndio hii. Tuta extend here to that place.
Oh, there's another pillar there.
Not a pillar, but the beam.
Beam.
The beam will extend over there. Kutoka kwa hii pillar.
Okay. So mtu atakuwa anaenda hivi, anatembea anakuja anaingia kwa hizi milango.
Yes. Yes.
Hapa nimeshindwa kuelewa. Let me see.
After finishing the formwork, you will see how it goes.
Yes.
Yes.
Imagine guys, this is the like formwork and I'm seeing part of Nyabohanse. Look how it looks like. You think that I'm using a drone, man. Look. It's not a drone. It's my camera. Through King Charles Kirioba 254.
Yes, that's my channel.
Yes.
Yes.
Well done job.
Yes.
And you? There's a tall man sitting here like a Southern Sudan people.
Yes,
you know any move
you
from South
can
Sudan?
see that. The
Stand
sun
people,
is very hot.
stand people can see your height.
You can pay me on to
You stand.
Okay.
You know people in
Pay
South
me
Sudan,
1,000 euros.
they are taller than. Look,
Hello, guys, I'm very tall.
hey, tall man.
What's
see
my
you.
channel name?
I see you change.
Do you
Black.
really? I'm Black Mamba,
Mamba.
the blackest man in my village.
Why do you call your name Black Mamba?
I come to us that I'm very black than you.
Guys, I'm a black. We are Africa.
Black Mamba. Yeah,
You must be
I'm
black.
Africa. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Black Mamba. So I'm very friend to El Baby Official, which is the one who introduced me to YouTube, guys. So I'm gonna congratulate you when you subscribe my YouTube channel at Black Mamba. So El Baby, enjoy watching.
Guys, right now, no more J official. Right now it's Black Mamba.
I'm Black Mamba as
Okay.
my skins also describe my color. So, you know. The blackest person in my village.
Did you improving in your channel? Gaining more
Of course my
subscribers?
channel is improving my
Unasaidia
life.
100?
I'm almost 100.
You'll be there soon.
But
If you hit 100, you just count, you remaining with 900. If you hit 200, 800, you deduct.
Actually, I don't
Every
know.
100 subscriber, you deduct.
Okay.
Hiya.
But soon I'm going to upload the video. I'm always
For
uploading
example,
every day.
let me give you a video down here. You see that uncle cutting the timber?
Yeah.
Go and shoot him a short video for YouTube.
I'm already done.
Unaona vile anakata hivyo?
Hata nimesha upload zingine.
Venye anakata hivyo afu unachagua ngoma nzuri tu. Unamrecord.
Guys, no more Geo Visual. Black Mamba.
Guys, Black Mamba.
Yeah.
If you click Black Mamba, you'll find him. Guys, I must walk slow because here is an empty space.
Check it out.
Wow.
That's all.
Babu. So hapo imebaki weke trappers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Before trappers, you have to put the round poles.
Yeah.
Put it this.
Oh.
Before trappers.
I know. The post from down.
There are pole, round poles.
Mm.
Round poles.
Yes, like that one that I see outside there. I know. And maybe I'm the one who demolished the trappers one day after this store being to be concrete and now. I know how to demolish. Na mtarimbo.
Hey,
Ile tarimbo kisha unafanya hivi.
but remember it's so delicate.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. But I start from here, go back.
Oh, I can see that you know.
I know.
Yes.
Me I do these things of work. I know everything. Babu vipi?
Poa sana.
Mambo yanasonga.
Mambo yanasonga.
There's a guy here. Yes. And bro, that's the kind that you learn maybe to be a carpenter or a mason.
Maybe in future.
Not in future.
Why?
Ears are running like crazy.
I'm learning. Small.
Yes, you know how to hold
step by
the.
step.
Yes. You know how to hold the power like a saw,
And so.
hammer.
Yeah.
You know. One day engineer will tell you, okay, did it hit this place here? Hammering the nail
Maybe in time.
in time.
Yeah.
Yes. Si kila siku utakuwa handyman. Moja utakuwa engineer. One day you'll be engineer. You learn from here. Guys, this is our neighbor. Actually, guys, thank you so much. More amazing videos coming from here, guys. So stay tuned.
You see,
Yes.
this is a plum pole.
Right here.
Yeah. When it is when you see it's going around like that, this is we call it vertical or horizontal.
Me, I don't know.
It is upright.
Guys, see where,
You see now.
oh, ndo pile ndio hiyo beam sipimbe pinde.
Carry straight.
Okay. Guys, I'm standing here. I'm not the mason. I'm risking my life. Look here, going there is empty. I don't want to risk my life. Guys, I see David Jr. So let me say hello, and then as we proceed. Hey. One second. Guys, I need to go down. Yeah? I'm good.
What's up, guys? Welcome. Okay, I think the lighting is from this side. What's up, guys? Welcome to Hello Baby's YouTube channel, and we're coming live and here from my house. This is how everything is. Actually, we're almost done with the woodwork. Exactly.
Me, I was asking the mason, what is place here? It could be
No,
empty
they'll cover. They'll cover. This is the staircase here, but they'll cover everything. You won't see anything. So these are the staircases in which they started yesterday to do the steel work here. But so far so good. The work is going on. Probably towards next week, you'll see a big progress here.
Oh, putting like concrete.
No. They are
Trappers?
we're not yet done. You see, even this empty space, the vacuum, they wanna be putting a lot of timbers because everything here, it's wanna be coming to uniformity.
And then when you put a concrete slab on top, the guy who demolished this stuff, careful as you keep it. So we
Exactly.
are needed tomorrow maybe to extend.
But this one is not strong.
I know.
Yeah, it's not that strong.
Sema atakuwa anatoa hizi, anatoa vizuri tu anazipanga. Tena
Exactly.
hiyo mirundi za kutumia.
Yeah, these same poles that you see here, they wanna be helping me to build the house going up. Hey, these are good work, guys. For me, even I'm happy, more than happy. And,
Not you. Me,
we
even
keep
me.
going.
I can't wait to see Starlink on top and then
Yeah, we have big dreams, big ambitions, you know. And this is what we are doing here, guys. For us, we keep working hard, you know. Nothing will stop us from doing what we love. Everything is coming in good shape. Everything is aligning so well. The pillars are so good, super strong, you know.
And it's close.
Very close. Yeah, this tells you the house is so strong. Look how it's built, how it's coming up. This is amazing. But all in all, we thank God for life. Yeah. Look.
This is how we invest money.
Look, yeah, this wanna be helping me in future, guys. This is not a small little thing that we are doing here. This is bigger.
Yes, it will be maybe, for example, in a teacher, like receiving in pension when maybe you turn old, receiving in pension here. Yes.
Actually, this is the biggest house around this market. This is the biggest.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, there is no other house bigger than this. This is the true story. Yeah, look from this other side, guys. Yeah, we're leaving a mark. So from here, this how the house looks so good, honestly. Hey, the house looks so nice. Look. Then it's not visible towards the other side because of the many poles. Hey, these are a lot of poles, guys. Huh? We've been splitting timbers. A lot of timbers here.
I think when you put another, like this first floor, second
now
floor.
going up it will be easy because I already have the materials.
Yes.
You know,
Hey,
guys, it was a hard task because I didn't have any timber here, so I had to go to the forest, split, bring them here. But right now, at least we got everything. Yeah, my goal this year, 2025, I want to ensure this house, like, it's coming up. Every resources in 2025. A little coins that I get here.
Yes.
No taking anywhere. Here. Yeah, so probably towards actually soon, guys, wanna be doing the steel work, the bars, running across the house. The same thing that you've seen on the staircases there.
Yes.
That's what wanna be doing. And also Kwamboka is right there. Kwamboka is one of the guys that is helping me to cure the house because it needs a lot of water, especially right now where the rain is now pouring here in the village. They are working so hard. Babu, what? Go show people what it does. You know that thing is just.
Oh, guys, let me show you. Okay. Can I cure this, Msani?
I'm good.
Yes.
I'm fine.
We used to sharpen knife, panga, axe.
Yeah, sharp things.
Kuna siku hivi mkutembele hauko.
He didn't inform me.
Alikuinform.
You came home.
Namwambia kuna siku mtembele hakuwa.
Yeah, he was not available.
Yes, you're not available. And then
How can you surprise me today?
all right, guys. Guys, I'm on the motorbike. Destination right here. Okay, let me hold.
What's up, guys? My name is David Jr. and right here
It's Brother Dagi on the control. I'm the guy who drives the
and now we are yeah. Okay, guys, so keep going. This is the main road here. Today is a market day.
Today is on Thursday.
Yeah.
Maybe you can go on market day.
Today is a market day, actually. Yeah. They sell animals within here. Yeah, I'm just laughing. I'm playing with the vibe. Let's move on. That's a new motorbike. It's not a new motorbike. That's not a new motorbike. But we keep going, guys.
There's a bridge here.
So we have a bridge here. See? The other day there is a cruel accident that happened here. People really lost their lives. Now we're almost approaching Mabera, right?
Yes, we are approaching Mabera. I think we can pass in the market. Yes, we pass here the beautiful local market. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let us pass here.
Wow.
Guys, I want to show you how an animal market looks like. Today is on a Thursday, so it's a market day here. So this is the road that heads there. But it's not far from where we are. It's just probably max 1 kilometer. We'll be there. So these motorbikes here, they are from the market. And they sell cows, goats, sheep, chickens, you know. Yeah, where people can eat, can relax, and have a good time. Yeah, they sell food at an affordable prices. Brother Dagi, where is Mabera TTI?
Mabera TTI? Over here. We are heading there.
You know where it is?
Yes.
Wow. TTI, Technical Training Institution. That's the meaning. These are school bus, think big. Most of the school buses here, they are painted yellow.
I think this is written Nyankore. The one think big.
This one?
Yeah, it's think big. It's Nyankore. You see?
Right there. Yeah, that's the school bus. Okay guys, we're almost at the market. And we keep going.
Hi, I'm Paul. You know when I'm in Bremen, we came here sport today.
Yeah, we used to come here. Those are good olden days. Oh, there are sports
actually here.
Yeah, but
what do you think? We go?
Sports to do what?
Even they have it that it's a sport today. Local people can enter, people taking photos. Ekikumaka songolea tusa kidogo. Sawa. Sawa. Wewe shikilia ando kamera kabisa. Ingia ndani.
Mnaenda kufanya nini hapo shwari? Yeah. Watu si wengi.
Barabara content na baba tseku.
Yeah, you see this one?
It's a hospital. I realized. It's a business.
Yeah, for the government. Yeah. Affordable housing. Yeah.
You can rent here.
Wow, that is good. That is good.
So even this is a government of Kenya.
Si aliamua kujenga. Pia sema kasongo. Songa mgani? Hospital ama ni nyumba za biashara?
No, it's
a rental house.
I love this car. This is an Audi.
Audi?
Yeah. The rings.
You can pass or we go inside. Taya ndani. Kana weki.
Wataka kwenda ndani
kidogo. Tuambia tu ni market today.
This is an Audi.
Na kimestudia. Heading to the market.
Actually, we are there because this is a market area. The trucks that we are seeing here, they transport the cows or goats or everything, the animals to Nairobi. Because here it's believed the prices that are affordable. See these trucks.
And the good thing about us, we enter the market, no problem.
But you
can park here?
All like this.
Okay, get out. Let's go. We go to the animal cows. Right. So we just over here, guys. So let's see how our day goes. Okay. Hakuna mwenye anaweza iba. Si mimi naachaga hapa. Oh. Nguyore.
Kore nani nyeira?
Nkare.
Ka mutigire.
Sound trust. Let's go, bro. Show people's be a record.
Wow. Gonna be taking you along in this market. No, we're not buying.
Just supervising the market. Yes. Wow. They're selling shoes.
I wish you could be buying goods.
Today? Today?
No, but we not.
We asked the price.
My shoes. Hey, this is something else.
Right. You can ask price.
You know my shoes are.
Can buy. They're selling goats right here. I'm telling you, goat, sheep.
Let's go for those.
The big goats. Okay. Mura, unauza hii irenga? Yeah? Hey, unashika unasema kama uko kama iko 3. Usijifanye mbuzi buroka bro. Wewe uza mbuzi bei ya kawaida. Kama tena ni Bora mbuzi nafaa 5. Guys, I'm telling this guy $60. It's enough for him. Yes.
Well, baby, unaona shingapi?
5,000 it's okay. They try to bargain, man.
I'll shoot you up. Even the sheep they are selling here.
Yeah, even that one is bigger one. The sheep. Okay. If somebody want to marry, there is a cow here for paying dowry.
Oh, all of these?
Yes. That if you could be more.
Hello, baby, you've heard it's 9,000 Kenyan shillings.
Yes.
Such a goat. But for us, we feel like it's 5,000.
Yeah.
Now, what should we do?
Maybe we close the chapter. We go and add the money. Maybe.
No, we're not buying. We just came
Asking.
to ask for price.
Yes. And
one of the things you have to understand here, prices are being determined with the size.
Yes.
Let's say if the cow is big, the prices always goes up. The same thing as goats, as sheep. And also here they are selling clothes, culture, everything, even food.
Yes.
But guys, my shoe, something else.
You can buy another one.
No, I'll buy just a glue.
Or you take to the shoemaker.
Exactly. Yeah, in my bed. Yeah, we are passing there actually.
Yes.
We are passing there. Alright guys, these are markets, animal markets. These are
They're selling here goats and sheep. There is goat. Maybe cow can go around as we go.
Exactly. Okay, let's go. Hey, my shoe. That's how I start my today's video.
Okay. Right here, if you want to marry, there's maybe be more to pay a dowry. Yes.
But here people know me.
Yes.
It's not like I'm so new here. Even they're selling it.
Yes, within here. Man, I'm telling you, our market is large, going up to that way, man. Oh, you can't imagine. Wow.
The hustle is real.
Yes, everywhere. Wow. Guys, sorry for the noise. Let's go.
Oh, brother Daki is right there.
Yes, outside. Wow.
You know Bosara?
Yes,
Bosara is like
a local porridge.
Don't catch the video.
No. I will never cut. Camera was okay, let's see brother Dagi.
Where is he?
This guy wants to film the videos.
Let me call him.
Okay.
Let me just give him a
Tunaweza enda pale?
Come short.
Hapa anaweza kuvuma. Eh?
But some people won't like this part because they are beating cars.
Okay.
But guys, the other side, they are... Hey, be careful.
If you want to pay dowry, guys, the cow is right here. You see? For the dowry payment.
So just go, brother. It's about time we leave this area. But market days they are on Thursday and Sunday. Those are the market days. Only 2 days in a week.
Yes. Yeah, that is tough. They need a receipt for the cows.
Yeah, here you have to get the receipts, you know, to show you like you've legally bought a cow or any animal that being sold here.
Sure.
But one of the things that I love about this market has created a lot of employment. People come here that they can get money, you know. The hustle here is everywhere, which is a good thing. You know, it's feeding a lot of people around here.
And most of the people interact. Maybe you have Maasai, you have Kikuyu.
Exactly.
Yes, to share idea.
Yeah.
Yes.
That being said, it promotes unity and peace among people around here.
Yes, sure.
So waiting for brother Dagi. These are real stories from here.
Or he went to eat.
Probably, but I'm not sure.
Be careful.
One of the entrances here.
Be careful with that cow.
But you have to understand here, you have to show the receipts for you to get out with the car.
Yes, for example, right that one there, guys. Exactly. They show receipt. Hey. You must be very careful. Yes, guys. Okay. That cow is too black. Wow. And not even this side, guys. Here. They know you. Yes. Kasongo is coming from there. Yes, creating videos.
But I gifted Dagi a camera. I don't know why, like
he has, and even this handle, yeah,
yeah, he needs to use the GoPro. He has to get used.
Yes.
Creating videos with the GoPro. One, it doesn't create attention, and also people they don't feel like threatened. Alright, so let him bring the motorbike as we keep going.
Yeah.
Real stories from here.
Hey, this cow have a sharp horn, so you must be very careful. Yes. Hey.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, guys, it's time to go.
We left the market. That's the top right there. Wow! I think the case is Bologna board. You can go outside, you can go see. Let's go the guy on track. There's a tipper right there. No problem. Wow. We're on the motorbike. You know here, they're selling chicken right here and birds right there. Wow. Brother, what's up, bro? Wow. Oh. Even now, we have the hawkers selling the bag right there. I'm telling you guys, this is a church, servants church here, SDA. People building, look guys. Hey, for sure. Yes. Good house? Yes. Down there, guys. Yeah. Beautiful home, guys. You know, I realize money talks. Money can make anything. Yes. Wow. Students are going to school right here.
Which school is that?
Yes?
Which school is that?
I didn't understand that school. Wow.
Put your camera. My camera is charging. Okay. Look guys. This is all he's doing. Huh? Real stories. Ish. Next is you.
Maybe I'll go on that one. This one for the training we have right there.
Look. So how many kg is this one? Marwa?
I don't know.
How many kgs?
Me I think.
Okay, let me try.
This one is 50.
Okay. Let me try.
Hey Mara, you become strong, bro.
Let me try. Let me try, guys.
You try.
Let me try.
You try.
Cross fingers. Hey, it's been a while, but
I know you can lift.
it's like this,
It's
Marwa.
heavy.
And you put here.
Like this,
No.
Marwa.
Here.
Marwa, like this.
Ni hapo ndo anaweka mikono Mara.
Mikono naeka wapi mara?
Hapo hapo.
Like this.
Si atakuja afinyo huko, si ni huko.
We inua.
Like this.
Yes.
I'm good.
Yes. And it's heavy.
1,
2. Yisire.
3,
Acha apige.
4.
Wow.
Mara tava talento hii.
6,
Atabeba.
Ako vizuri.
7, 8, 9,
10. Enough Mara. Shikilia hold. Okay. Hey.
It's you, brother Raji. Come. It is you.
You know this stomach.
Like the rock.
You wanna kill this stomach.
Brother Dagi.
Go.
Go. This stories from the village here, guys. It's been a while since I lifted the weight. But these are traditional weights.
Guys, I can't wait, hello baby.
Guys,
Baro.
Mimi kupiga kitu lakini.
You cut off your stomach, bro.
Baro.
Wow.
Tarudi uishikilie sawa.
Nisaidie simu sasa hiyo nipigie video.
Kidogo tu. Haya, acha tunaanelea.
Yes, that's brother Dagi.
Okay. Wish.
No, brother Dagi. Yeah, like that. No. Hold for him. Oh my God. You have to balance.
Okay.
You have to balance.
Iko sawa? Mwisho hivyo.
Okay, let's go, brother Dagi. Let's go. 1.
Mara shikilia.
Things went wrong.
It's going wrong. Okay, brother Dagi, lift.
Okay, I will. Shika simu. Take your phone. Guys,
Hello, baby.
me, to be honest, let me try. Okay. Okay, David, you can hold.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Brother Dagi, even 1. Kitu gani kimeharibika? Oh, kiti.
Hivi ni kama kimeharibika, nitole. Toa unikonesha.
Okay.
No, guys, you remember me? I lifted 10 of these. It's because, guys, I've been. Let me tell you something. Guys, when I was in high school, I used to lift weights like crazy. That's why, like, you always see for me, I'm always flexible. Yeah, look, hello, baby. Why are you spanking your stomach? Don't be crazy. Are you pregnant? Okay. Lift. 1. All right. Today is today.
Maybe I will try that one. Come.
Actually, me, I can lift even this one. Okay, let's see. Oh man, look at these small puppies. Right. Hey, what's up? Wow, they have a lot of puppies here, but I have to be very careful. Guys, these are traditional weights.
I'm telling you guys. And then
these are traditional
like
weights.
This. You see like this? No, like this. Then like this.
All right, look at that. Hey, the dog just came. If it found me there, it will be something else.
Do like this. Well, open your leg.
Yeah, it's good to lift weights.
Yes.
Or what do you think?
Yeah. Give me.
Next.
Yes, it's me next. See.
All right. Look at that.
All right, give me.
Okay, take my blood.
Okay.
Guys, these are real stories from here.
Kasongo, pera kadu.
Okay, let me call Vicky because
You're tired?
No. You tired? After this, you wanna be sharing how you feel like. Hey, brother Dagi. Hey, brother.
Don't lift your leg.
Okay. Exercise is good. Yeah, and now, guys, everything goes smoothly. Yeah, let's see.
Oh, guys, I need to add the shot. But that's don't say that word. Guys, to be honest, guys, that's my body. See, that's my stomach right there. You know,
Father. He used to lift weights.
What do you think?
It's a good.
At your home there when you create a gym.
Yeah.
So every Saturday or in the evening you came to make exercise. Yes. You try and make.
Guys, this.
What up, man?
It's
Good.
good.
Jonah here, man. We went to refill a gas. Things now are better.
Guys, let me show you the gas. Without blagging things. The gas just pull up here. I'm telling you. And it's 26 kg. 26.6. And we have the banner right here for fixing here.
It, so we changed the lifestyle. Right now we are chasing money. You know, you can't dance for people and you don't have money. So I said, me, I can't do dancing. All I can do is just meeting my brothers and doing it for life, man. So that's why we are doing it, guys. Yeah.
Are you ready so that we can be fully outside? Are you ready to
Forever,
leave your
man.
home right now?
Forever, man. I bought a gas here because, man, you know, life here in the village is hard. Sometimes you deal with smoke. Man, come in our...
You deal with smoke.
Come in our kitchen.
This is his kitchen. Where is this smoke?
No, uchunge ukaribu kuanguka.
Oh.
Be careful.
Oh.
It's almost to fall down.
Don't worry. Things here in the village are better, so just come in, man. Just come in.
Look at this.
You know, this one is so scary because here
almost
you can
falling
see
down.
it's almost falling down, but things can't really fall because we have God, so things can just hang up.
Indeed, you're a superstar. Look at cameras on you.
These are my brothers, man. These are my brothers, man. So that's why we are doing it. So don't worry.
All right.
Just come in.
Welcome to the kitchen.
So, Junior, have you ever seen a kitchen like this?
Brother.
Yeah, guys, we have this. This is a local one. I know. We call it rosobo. I don't know how we call it in English, but we mainly use it for keeping. Most of the time, we use this pot for cooking.
Yeah.
But here, I don't know what.
You can
is
store
inside.
food as well.
Yeah. We almost most of the time here we put onions here.
Yeah, and the lighting is so
Yeah,
good.
we
You
put
see
onions here and some tomatoes, man. You know. Yeah, but mainly we use this for cooking.
Wow.
This is our kitchen, guys. This is how it looks like.
Don't mind how it is,
Yeah.
soup because we use firewood.
It's a village vibe, man.
a village
yeah.
vibe.
So this is where we cook. Like you can see, yesterday we cooked. This is what we call
This is veg. This traditional veg.
Traditional vegetable.
Yeah.
So,
all of this veg, John.
man. Mom loves veg.
Do you have a lot of people here?
No, we are only mom, this guy, Brighton, and me. Like 4 people.
Oh.
All of this.
But it's because you get them directly from
but,
the farm.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, mom didn't like it because it was overcooked.
Oh.
She said, no, we can't cook it tonight. You better give it to animals. Then we cook, small fish.
Oh, you give veg to animals?
Yeah, we give veg to animals because it was too much. And, this is, we call it tunaita.
The real story.
Suega. Suega,
So
yeah.
this one is for the animals. You cooked for the animals.
Yeah, we said no,
You need to bless the animals
we'll
as well.
take some and bless the animals because they are human beings, man. They feed on grass, like just.
Alright guys, before I left, there's something I want to show you because I was building the toilet and most of the people ask me, you and Vidi John, you build a nice toilet. I'm telling you, but we build at our own pace, no competition, guys. Look, from here to here. Look, maybe I'll be back and then you'll see the view for that new toilet, man. Nothing hide. Look, just like curve. I don't see like and at the back we have septic. Man, it's by God's grace and me, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for the love and support. Oh, something I knew, I didn't put these things to my toilet, but later I'll work it for it. Maybe I'll put outside, to be outside. And I'm just like working so hard to have water on the borehole and then to have the motor to pump water to the tank, and then you can wash your hand here within here. You know what I mean? So this is a new toilet. They have been closed. What's it called? A tank like this, they will place right there. And actually, guys, I'm supposed to do these things slowly. When I get water, I'll get such things like this. It's 6 pillar, you can see, and the middle pillar, it's for the supporters of the base. You know, we have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's 5 pillar, I think. Yeah, it's 5 pillar. Wow. For the placing of the tank,